guys, today I'm going to show you how to report a scam on Facebook Marketplace. So have your phone on hand so you can follow along as we go through. Let's jump right in. So to start off, you're going to want to launch your Facebook app. Once it's launched, you're going to want to go into Facebook Marketplace. Once you're there, you're going to click on the little person icon in the top right corner. And this is going to bring you to your Marketplace account. And then you're going to go into your inbox. In your Marketplace inbox, you're going to find things that you are selling and things that you're buying. If you want to report a Marketplace seller, you're going to click on the person you're trying to buy from. And once you click on them, it's going to bring you to your messages back and forth. And if you're under the impression that this person is a scammer and you want to report them, you're going to click on their profile picture at the top. And this is going to bring you over to some information. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. This helps the channel to grow and for us to reach a larger audience. Thanks so much, and let's get back to the video. On the right hand side, you'll find the little exclamation icon with the report underneath it. You'll click on that and you will click scam. Once you have that selected, you'll click submit. Now, if you want to report somebody who's buying from you, you're going to go back and click on your listings here under selling. You're going to click on your listing. You're going to scroll down to the chats. You'll click see all. And then you're going to click on the person's profile that you wish to report. Once you're in the chat with them, you're going to click on their icon on the left-hand side. You're going to view their Facebook profile. And then here, you're going to click the three dots on the right-hand side and report their profile. So once you click that, you can report them as a fake account or something else, whichever one applies to you. Now, if you want to report a listing scam, you'll simply go into Marketplace and you'll find all of the listings. So if you find one that you think is a scam, you'll click on it, click on the three dots on the right-hand side, and you can report listing. Here, it's going to bring you to this page with some information on it, talking about prohibited content. So it's going to let you know what content is prohibited and also that the reporting is private. So no one's going to know that you reported that account and that listing. So you'll click continue. Here it's going to bring up a bunch of different options where you'll find the scam option. And then you'll click done. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you found this information helpful. Maybe you can use it or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next video.